bird brain. Some of the weird things that are happening around us are actually terrorism. Okay, like what? Terrorism is very bad in the US, and there's lots of recruitment. Here are the things moving in the sky. There's terrorist drones and there's nanobots. So there's some skater birds and they're talking about terrorism. And there's these terrorist drones called spindles, and you can see them flying in the sky or on the road sometimes. And then there's these chain linky kinds. And then there's these other kinds called nanorobotic worm-like insertions, but those ones are really small and you can't really see them that easy. You mean those shapes, that lines and shapes in the air are actually from terrorists? These are the types of nanobots, and here are just a couple of them listed. It's in the weather too, and shows some raindrops. Isn't that bad for the environment? Yes, it is so bad. Here's an alligator. He's supposed to be the terrorist. Hey, go put these in the pizza ingredients at your work. And he's holding a little thing that's a bottle of nanobots. It says Nano Flask. They are clever and have been doing this for a very long time. When someone tells you to do something bad, don't do it. Terrorism is all around you. Nanobots are very dangerous and harm people. Terrorists use these a lot. Counterterrorism is a high agenda. Have hope. Come on, Becky, we can't have this in our world. What can we do to help? Report crimes. Be aware of your surroundings. Trust the Lord Christ and the Holy Spirit, and talk to your friends about terrorism. And I drew some more birds. And I drew another ISIS alligator. This one's supposed to be a cop, this ostrich, because ostriches bury their head in the sand when they're scared or something threatening is happening. That's kind of what I was saying earlier about our government preventing investigations of terrorism. There is corruption and bribery in your law enforcement and other places. ISIS is in your police. Terrorist gangs are in your streets. Can nanobots make me hear voices? Psychotronic torturers, I think they can do it through a microchip as small as a nanobot, yeah. ISIS has power in many major corporations. There is a lot of symbolism in terrorism, like Looney Tunes, Disney animals, and other figures. You need to be a part of the resistance. Terrorism is very divided, like gangs. Be a patriot. And then it says my Instagram, which is Nanobot Andy IRL. And this bird says, "Cool kids don't die." And then there's some more birds on the back of it. I made copies of these and they're for sale if you would like one. I don't know what Agenda 21 means. Please explain.